Hi friends, this is Devansh and in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix Windows Update error 0x800F0805 in Windows 10. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So let's begin.
So firstly go to the settings, and in settings go to update and security. In update and security you have to go to troubleshoot. Now in troubleshoot, search for the Windows update, click on run the troubleshooter, so it will start troubleshooting the Windows update. Wait till it is detecting the problem in the system and it will take some time. The detection will complete, you will get a message like this. If you have any issue, the message will appear. Just try to remove that issue and then you have to go and just restart your system again.
So the second method is you have to type few commands of the command prompt. So you just copy these all the commands in your notepad file. I will put this command in the description so that you can copy it from there and paste it in your notepad file. So these are the list of all the commands which you need to be pasted in your notepad file, and after that you have to just save this and save it as a all file format and give the name as fix.bat and just save it. So once you save it, to now run it as administrator, and then it will ask to delete this folder. So this is the location of the folder. Here you have to give Y. So just give Y and give the permission to delete it. So as I doesn't require to delete it, I'm giving here N, but you have to give Y, and after that just it will start executing again all the commands one by one. And once all the command get executed, it will automatically exit from the command prompt. Now what you have to do, just refresh and go and try to just go and restart your system. So once your system get restarted, again try to update the Windows, and this time after updating check you are getting that window update error or not. So this is the second method. So lastly, if any of this method doesn't work, you can restore your system to the initial points. For that, go to the restore settings and go to system restore here. Now go to click on next, and there are multiple restore points. You can choose any restore point and it will restore your complete system to that point. And then once you restore it and finish it, again try to update and check after restoring the system, are you able to update a Windows without any error or not. So this is the last method. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error, and hopefully this method will surely fix the problem. If this methods helped you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.